Okay, here's some rambling out of Adam time. I don't know what it's going to be really said. It's just a pattern of movement. So it's my first time raw. Raw. The pattern that you see in my hands. The heartbeat of our world. The equator, the neutral, the northern triangle, and the southern. If this is in my hands, it can be in my thoughts, in my hands, my mind, my face. Whoa! And gravitational pulls everywhere. So, whoever wants to listen, come to us all. Anyway, so tonight I was talking about mountains and drilling and oil and stuff. How about instead of going down into the ground, oh my gosh, really raise the spirits up. And we talk about the Olympics, the torch bearers. So I hear that they're drilling into the mountains at wherever in Vancouver to erect. Instead of have oil gushing through the ground, they're erecting through the mountains towers, communication towers that transport frequencies, sound, communication, advice, data. Or does it also monitor? For myself, if I'm in this pattern's energy, just like my hair, the water, the air comes back, goes back, and it creates a little tidal wave there in the back. Patterns, patterns, patterns. As we evolve, I think this is what Einstein is talking about, E equals mc squared, the evolution of man's consciousness evolves. And as it does, our height, we are becoming smarter people. We're able to put patterns together faster. And when we put patterns together, what happens the oil from the Earth's surface erupts out. And you have a lot of power and information. Our bodies and energy fields are getting tighter and tighter. And if you allow them to move and you pick up the patterns and you see consciousness in every color and listen to the news and everything correctly, this is a pattern I was thinking of tonight. As I dream and my thoughts go up and I watch the sun and moon, right? What's going in between? These new higher levels of frequency, communication towers that we buy because we want cell phones and pictures and everything that we can think of to make our minds go crazy, instead of being like bang on. We're chasing everything. So our thoughts and emotions go up into the air, they get captured, and they come down into us by news, by our clothes, by our food, anything. So if you think CEOs and companies are really smart, making lots of money, or are broke, watch out. I bet you, prior or shortly after testing of these systems of communication, capturing data, you will see so much change before your eyes that you won't even be like, whoa, how did they know to do this? Vancouver, China, and where was another big structure being built? Probably in New York, right? The planning of 9/11, probably to erect higher and higher towers. Toronto, the CN Tower. Oh, what's that? Dubai, that's the one. Oh, aren't they building things? And out of the earth, from the bottom, they bring it up. The plankton on the water, a whole picture of the earth. So maybe we are going into the fourth dimension, and in doing so, the government needs to also capture what our minds are going to be producing, because they have no idea. What it all is? Right here, the itsy bitsy spider. The point of perception is right in here. You're the transmitter of nature. All the time.